A God Word This. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. You know, say, it coming like say when Jesus did hang up on the cross, God did go LEF him. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you not click the subscribe button yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Mark chapter 15 from verse 33 to verse 41. When it reached Middle-day, the whole place get dark till about 3 o'clock the evening. When it catch 3 o'clock, Jesus bawl out loud, Eloi, Eloi, lema sabachthani. That mean, me God, where make you left me and gone? When some of the people when they turn up they hear him, them say, listen, him a call for Elijah. Then somebody run go the piece of sponge in a some sour wine, put it pan one thick and give him for drink. Then he say, left him, make we see if Elijah I go come take him down from the cross. But Jesus bawl out loud, blowing breath one last time, and then dead. Same time, the curtain where it hang up in a God house, split in a two from top to bottom. When the head for 100 soldier when it turn up in front of the cross, see how Jesus dead, him say, for real, that man ya, I did a really God boy picnic for true. Some woman did turn up further out and watch what go on. Woman like Mary Magdalene, Mary, where James and Joseph mother. James did younger than Joseph. And Salome did dead too. When Jesus did in a Galilee, them did monks him follow them. And them used to help look after him. Enough more woman where did come up with him, come to Jerusalem, did dead too. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.